Hi, I'm Jodie, and I am a Melbourne-based copywriter, and I've just completed Kate Toon's their Recipe for SEO Success online course. And I thoroughly recommend any small business who wants to take control of their SEO marketing, or any copywriter who wants to improve their own SEO copywriting or offer it as a service to their own clients. Just take the course. Do it. It's intensive, but it's invaluable, and it will deliver you a return on investment time after time. So get on it. Buy it. Just do it. Bye.